The Indian pharmaceutical industry is experiencing phenomenal growth. From a valuation of around $50 billion in 2023, it's projected to reach $450 billion by 2047. This trajectory positions India as a global leader, supplying over 60% of the world's vaccines and 20% of generic medicines. Looking closer at the domestic market, India's pharmaceutical sector is experiencing a boom. The market witnessed a 9.5% growth in March 2024, with key therapy areas like cardiac, anti-infectives, and gastrointestinal showing strong growth. Now, this dominance can be attributed to several factors: cost competitiveness, driven by lower labor costs and efficient manufacturing processes, allows Indian companies to offer competitive pricing. Additionally, India boasts the highest number of FDA-approved plants outside the US, ensuring high quality standards. India also plays a crucial role in the US healthcare system. 47% of all generic prescriptions filled in the US come from Indian companies, generating significant cost savings. In 2022 alone, Indian generics saved the US healthcare system an estimated $219 billion. The global pharma supply chain is undergoing a significant transformation. Rising healthcare demand and trends like the China Plus One strategy are pushing for diversification. This strategy encourages companies to move away from relying solely on China for active ingredients and explore alternative manufacturing locations like India. Indian pharma companies are also experiencing robust growth. Mankind Pharma, a major player, recently reported a 65% year-on-year increase in net profit in the March quarter. Rajiv Juneja, the managing director of the company, spoke to Beyond regarding the scope India has in leading the global supply chain.
This is a new India. This is a very fast-growing India. You look around yourself, you'll find everything is evolving at a very fast pace, whether it's the infra, medical side, healthcare side. You look at around. So in pharma sector has always been a dominating sector, especially in formulation side. World over, every third tablet capsule sold, taken by anybody, is India made. Indian pharmaceutical has always taken a pioneer step in this, and going forward we see these things will continue. Now India is evolving towards R&D side, innovation side, a bit more than the past.
The industry isn't without its challenges. Complex regulatory requirements across different markets need to be streamlined. For India to become the world's pharmacy, investing in R&D is also crucial. Innovation will be key as India strides towards the peak of the global pharma supply chain.